Coinex is one of the biggest exchanges and the top choices for crypto trader because it supports almost like 400 cryptocurrency and 600 trading pairs. So if you're a new trader and interested in this exchange, this video is for you, because in this video we're going to show you how to create your own account and enable KYC on this exchange. Besides, just by clicking on the referral link or using our referral code in the description below, you can get 20% off all trading fees. So now let's jump into the video. So first, go to the App Store to download the Coinex applications on your phone. And here you can see the interface and features of Coinex, which is quite similar to other exchanges. Now we're gonna register by tapping on sign up, and then you need to fill in your emails and your password. Make sure that your password is strong enough. And for the referral code, you can use our referral code or just simply register by clicking on the referral link we leave in the descriptions. You can get 20% off all trading fees. And here I'm gonna type in our referral code and then tap sign up. Now complete the puzzles for verifications. There will be a code sent to your email, so go to your email box, copy the code and paste it back here. Now you have just successfully registered and logged in your account. And now I'm gonna move you to the step of KYC verifications. Go to your account and you can see the words not verified right under your account. And now you can see there is a small instruction here on how you can verify your IDs. So just need to take I promise to be the legitimate owner and then tap I'm all set for ID verifications to go to the next step. And now what you need to do is fill in your basic informations, including nationality, your name, your gender, your date of birth. You can choose one of these type of document that you can use for the verification process. Here I would choose the ID card. And now what you need to do is fill in your basic informations. Remember to allow Coinex application to access your camera and your microphone. And then you will need to upload your ID card by taking the front and back photo of your ID card. And when it comes to the face recognitions, it is required to confirm that you are the owner of the ID card. So just tap on verify now. Now position your face in the right place and then take a photo. Submit the photo and then you're done with the ID verifications. And now you just need to wait for around like 1 to 3 days until the review process completes. If you are looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto changes, please check out the links down below, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Kayak Master, and also turn on the notification bells for more tutorials. We still have a lot of bonuses and promos that we can't wait to share with you guys. See you in the next video.